Clank and I talked about it, and we both decided it's time to go back to the way things were, you know? Fixing ships, playing holo games till 3 in the morning. We've done hero stuff to the other guys.
Like Galactic President Quark.
Yeah. Or anyone else.
Come and steal a car with me, and we'll drive it to Belize. Just show me the dotted line. You know I'll sign it every time. Build a boat out of some leaves and set sail for the Far East. I dream of the trouble we'll get in. How do you say help in Mandarin? And we try to sit still and feel it all, but we'd rather run away than feel it all, you know.
But my pal and I, we're tired.
Can't say no.
All right.
Doing everything we can to increase the noise, and we don't care if it's trash that fills the void. We know
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
can't say no.
Welcome!
What the?
Let's go vandalize a hearse, steal some cash from your mother's purse, and sign her up for a Ponzi scheme. She'll be rich in cheap face cream. Throw a bender in a cemetery, bribe the dead to leave us be, and summon the demons that we repress. Swallow a shot glass, then get undressed.
Are you sure this is functioning properly?
You worry too much. Planetary Defense Center, here we Some retirement, huh?
This may sound strange, but I think I prefer hero work.
Come and steal a car with me, and we'll drive it to Belize. Just show me the dotted line. You know I'll sign it every time. Throw a bender in a cemetery, and behind bars we'll reconvene. I can't
Where are we
say
headed?
what the future holds.
I think you know.
All I know is I can't say no.
Is that us?